video of the 99% completed stockyard. Here's gate number 18, and you can see some of the feeding troughs in there. We're just going to walk down. I used probably more glue, or the glue cost more than building all the parts for this. Here's a few cows down on this end, and here's the building on the other end. And I might point out, there's the ladders, one of the ladders that was built using the 3D printer. And the building here, the small red building with the silver roof, that's out of that quality meat packing stockyard kit. And what I did was I took the front off and I made my own fencing here. And this would be for the sheep. I got some coming today, so I'll be putting them out there. But I might build some more the troughs and consider one for water and one for food. So, but anyway, that's what she looks like put together. And yesterday I was doing some testing with the train again, and it works pretty good. So I'm pleased with it so far. It is not glued down. Because I still want to put something behind it, and then eventually after it's glued down to the table, then I'll do some dirt and hay and stuff like that on the bottom of it. But it was a lot of gluing together. It took about a week to glue it together. It's done in 3 sections. It was like 6 gates, 5 gates, and then 7 gates. And then they were joined out here. So back on the layout, and you'll notice it. The feedlot is in fact been put back into place. And sometime after Christmas, I am going to work on ballasting the tracks. But I wanted to just kind of show you some video pictures of it. And this is gate 1, and then gate 18, as I slowly pan, is down there. So on either end we will have, in this pen here, there are 30 sheep. The figures that I got from Prizer came in a 60 pack, and after 30 I was so tired of gluing down sheep, so I'll save them for one of my farms. Then there are 18 different pens for the cattle, and in each one there's at least 10. So there's about 180 plus. There's a couple of them that I probably put in, maybe 11. Had to order some additional ones. Okay, so the Black Angus are in here, and I can't remember what the two-tone ones were. I'm not a cattleman. But I tried to get them down in there in different positions, and that kind of a mixture. And then here's a bunch of calves in there with a mother cow. But and there are some cow flops in there. The Woodland Scenics kits or animal packages come with a few of the cow flops. So I put them down in there. And then there's the Hogs at the end. I think there's 24 of them in there. And here's the grain delivery point for feed for the animals. And then on the other end, that other building was the just regular supplies, could be hay or whatever. And I've used a little bit of those Silflor. They're the, what do you call those? Buffalo grass is what they are. They're here, there, and there's a little bit of some of the woodland scenic stuff here and there. But it's essentially done. I may come back a little later and add a little bit more weathering here and there. I tried to make the ramps look pretty nasty. So we'll see. And I got to search through all my figures to put some workers up on here. But that's where it looks right now. And this is the other supply building here.